ये लीजिए आपके पैसे।
Here is your money. Here is your money.
मुझे पैसे की दिक्कत है।
I have financial problems. I have financial problems.
ये लीजिए आपकी घड़ी।
Here is your watch. Here is your watch.
उसने तुमसे क्या कहा?
What did he say to you? What did he say to you?
कैसे आना हुआ?
What brings you here? What brings you here?
मैं उसे संभाल लूंगा।
I will handle him. I will handle him.
अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now.
मेरी आंखें फरफरा रही है।
My eyes are fluttering. My eyes are fluttering.
क्या आपने टिकट खरीद लिया है?
Have you bought the ticket? Have you bought the ticket?
बाजार आजकल मंदा है।
Market is dull these days. Market is dull these days.
तमीज से बात करो।
Talk with manners. Talk with manners.
इसमें मेरा दोष नहीं।
It is not my fault. It is not my fault.
अपनी चाल सुधारो।
Mend your ways. Mend your ways.
क्या खेल रहे हो?
What are you playing? What are you playing?
मैम ने क्या कहा?
What did you say? What did you say?
चोट लग गई क्या?
Did you hurt yourself? Did you hurt yourself?
1 घंटे का सफर है।
It is an hour's journey. It is an hour's journey.
क्या आपको मच्छर ने काटा?
Did mosquito bite you? Did mosquito bite you?
अपने काफी की पेज मत फाड़ो।
Don't tear your pages. Don't tear your pages.
मैं समझता हूँ।
I understand. I understand.
वह घमंडी है।
He is a snob. He is a snob.
बेकार मत बैठो।
Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle.
हिचकिचाओ मत।
Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate.
शर्माओ मत।
Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy.
मैं तुमसे सहमत हूँ।
I agree with you. I agree with you.
क्या आप विदेश जा चुके हैं?
Have you gone abroad? Have you gone abroad?
यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है।
It's a strange coincidence.